Hey everyone, welcome back to Pop Off English, the fun podcast where you learn real English while having a good time. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with a friend who wants to improve their English.
Yeah, help us grow the Pop Off English family. It really helps the channel, and it helps you keep learning English every week. So hit that subscribe button now.
Today, we have a super fun topic. We are talking about zodiac signs.
Yes, the famous zodiac signs: Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, and Pisces.
If you understood all of that, congratulations. If you did not understand, don't worry. We are going to talk slowly and explain everything.
Exactly. This is English for beginners, so we will use simple words and short sentences. You can just listen and enjoy the story.
So first, what is a zodiac sign? In English, we say zodiac sign or just sign. Your zodiac sign depends on your birthday.
Many people believe that your sign can describe your personality. For example, people say, Leo people are confident, or Virgo people are organized.
Today, we are going to talk about the signs, and we are going to talk about us too, our personalities, our strange habits, and our drama.
Because nothing is more fun than a little astrology drama. So let's start with a question.
The big question.
Do you believe in zodiac signs?
For me, I believe a little. Sometimes it feels true, sometimes it feels very wrong, but it's fun. It's like a personality game.
For me, I don't believe, but I still check my horoscope. So I don't believe, but I also want to know if I will have a bad day on Tuesday.
This is modern life. I don't believe, but tell me more. By the way, if you are watching, tell us in the comments. What is your sign?
And do you think your sign is accurate? In English, accurate means correct or true.
Okay, so let's go through the zodiac signs one by one with simple English and fun examples. And we can also learn some vocabulary for personality.
And maybe we can discover why Mia is always late.
That is not astrology, that is just life.
We will see.
First sign, Aries. Aries people are born between March 21st and April 19th. In English, people say Aries are, quote, confident, energetic, and impatient.
Confident means you believe in yourself. Energetic means you have a lot of energy. Impatient means you don't like to wait.
I feel like Aries people walk fast, talk fast, decide fast. They are like a human espresso.
A human double espresso. If your friend always says, come on, hurry up, let's go, maybe they are Aries.
Or maybe they just need to relax. Next sign, Taurus. Taurus is from April 20th to May 20th. People say Taurus are calm, stubborn, and they like comfort.
Stubborn means it is very hard to change their mind. They decide something and that's it.
And comfort is when something feels good, safe, and easy. For example, a big soft sofa, a warm blanket, and pizza. That is comfort.
I think many Taurus people love food. If you have a friend who knows the best restaurants, maybe Taurus.
Or just a foodie. A foodie is a person who really loves food and enjoys trying different food.
Okay, next, Gemini. Gemini is May 21st to June 20th. People say Gemini are curious, social, and changeable.
Curious means you want to know many things. Social means you like to be with people, talk to people, go to parties. Changeable means you change your ideas, your style, maybe your hair, very often.
For example, a Gemini might say, I hate this music, and the next day, this is my favorite song ever.
Gemini is like, new day, new personality.
Be nice. Gemini people are fun.
They are fun. And dangerous if you tell them a secret.
Okay, next sign, Cancer, from June 21st to July 22nd. People say Cancer are emotional, sensitive, and caring.
Emotional means you feel things very strongly. Sensitive means you can be hurt easily. Caring means you think about other people's feelings, and you want to help.
A Cancer friend is the one who texts, "Did you get home safe?" after a party.
And they remember your birthday and your cat's birthday.
I need a Cancer in my life.
Me too. Okay, next sign, Leo, from July 23rd to August 22nd. So, like your name.
Yes, but I am not actually Leo sign.
That is so confusing for astrology. Anyway, people say Leo are confident, dramatic, and they like attention.
Dramatic means they have big reactions. Everything is amazing or terrible. No, it's okay.
Attention is when people look at you, listen to you, or focus on you. Many Leo people like attention. Not all, but many.
If someone takes 200 selfies to post one photo, maybe Leo energy.
Or maybe just Instagram energy.
True.
Next, Virgo, from August 23rd to September 22nd. Virgo people are organized, practical, and sometimes critical.
Organized means you have a system. Your room is clean, your files are in folders, your life is color-coded.
Practical means you like useful ideas, not crazy dreams. Critical means you see problems quickly and you say them.
A Virgo friend will tell you, "Your plan is bad, but I will fix it."
Perfect for group projects, terrible for your ego.
Next sign, Libra. From September 23rd to October 22nd, Libra are, quote, charming, fair, and indecisive.
Charming means people like you easily. You are friendly, polite, and you make people feel good.
Fair means you like justice. You want things to be equal and balanced. Indecisive means it's hard to choose.
A Libra can spend 25 minutes just choosing a movie.
Or 2 hours choosing a dessert.
But they do with style.
Next sign, Scorpio. From October 23rd to November 21st, Scorpio are intense, mysterious, and loyal.
Intense means strong and serious. Mysterious means you don't show everything. Loyal means you are a good friend for a long time.
A Scorpio friend will protect you, but they will also know all your secrets.
And remember everything you said in 2016.
Next, Sagittarius. From November 22nd to December 21st, Sagittarius are adventurous, honest, and independent.
Adventurous means you like new experiences. Honest means you tell the truth, sometimes too directly. Independent means you like your freedom.
A Sagittarius might say, "I bought a one-way ticket to another country. I leave tomorrow."
And they will text you from the airport like, by the way.
Next, Capricorn. December 22nd to January 19th. Capricorn are ambitious, serious, and hardworking.
Ambitious means you have big goals. You want success. Hardworking means you work a lot to reach your goals.
A Capricorn probably had a to-do list when they were 7 years old.
Step 1. Learn to walk. Step 2. Conquer the world.
Next sign, Aquarius. From January 20th to February 18th. Aquarius are, quote, original, independent, and idealistic.
Original means different and creative. Idealistic means you have strong ideas about how the world should be.
Aquarius people can be a little bit rebels. They don't like rules.
They say, why is it like this? All the time.
And the last sign, Pisces, from February 19th to March 20th. Pisces are dreamy, artistic, and empathetic.
Dreamy means you think a lot, imagine a lot. Artistic means you like art, music, drawing, or other creative things. Empathetic means you feel other people's emotions.
A Pisces friend cries with you when you cry and laughs with you when you laugh.
And probably writes a sad song about it later.
So these are the 12 zodiac signs. But remember, this is just for fun. People are different. Your sign is not your destiny.
This is very important. Your zodiac sign is not your whole personality. It is just a way to talk about personality with some simple words.
And it helps you learn English words for personality and feelings.
Exactly. Now, let's talk a little about daily life with zodiac signs, because we all have that one friend who uses astrology for everything.
For example, I am late because I'm a Sagittarius.
Or, I forgot your birthday because I'm Aquarius.
Or I spent all my money because I'm Leo. No, you spent your money because you clicked Add to Cart 20 times.
In English, people sometimes say, "That's such a Leo thing to do," or "so typical Virgo."
Typical means very common for that group.
Let's do some fun little situations with zodiac energy. Very simple English so you can understand and maybe recognize your friends.
Situation 1. Choosing a restaurant. The group chat is on fire. Everyone is hungry.
Aries says, "Let's go here, now."
Taurus says, do they have good dessert?
Gemini says, "Or we can cook at my place, or we can get pizza, or sushi, or..."
Cancer says, is the place cozy? I want a cozy place.
Leo says, "Is the lighting good for photos?"
Virgo says, I read 18 reviews. The second restaurant is the best.
Libra says, "I don't know. What do you want?"
Scorpio says, I already booked a secret place.
Sagittarius says, "Let's try something new. Ethiopian food."
Capricorn says, what is the price? We have a budget.
Aquarius says, "Let's go to a small, weird place no one knows."
Pisces says, I just want good vibes.
Good vibes means a good atmosphere, good feeling.
Next situation, relationships and messages. Someone doesn't answer your text.
Aries after 10 minutes. "Okay, bye, next."
Taurus, I will wait, but I don't forget.
Gemini, messages to other people.
Cancer, did I do something wrong?
Leo, checks their own profile picture for 5 minutes.
Virgo, maybe I wrote the message badly. I will analyze it.
Libra, asks 6 friends for advice.
Scorpio, interesting. I will remember this.
Sagittarius, already outside, doing something else.
Capricorn, I am busy too. It's fine.
Aquarius, forgets they sent a message.
Pisces, creates a whole movie in their head.
If this is you, don't worry, this is many people.
We also use zodiac signs in English to joke when people act in a very typical way.
For example, if your friend is very organized, you can say, "Okay, Virgo, calm down."
Or if someone is very dramatic, you can say, such a Leo moment.
Now let's talk about some useful English phrases you can use when talking about zodiac signs.
First, to ask someone's sign, in English you can say, what's your sign? Or, what's your zodiac sign?
Very simple. For example, "What's your sign?" "I'm Taurus."
You can also say when your birthday is, my birthday is on May 6th, for example.
You can say, "I'm such a Virgo," when you want to say you are very typical for your sign.
Or, that's so Gemini, when you think someone acts like a typical Gemini.
You can also say, "I don't believe in astrology, but it's fun."
Or, I don't know if it's true, but I like reading my horoscope.
Horoscope is the little text that talks about your future or your day, based on your sign.
For example, today you will meet someone interesting.
Or today, you should rest and stay calm.
Or, today don't text your ex. Classic.
Very classic. In English, people sometimes say, I'm into astrology. To be into something means you like it, you are interested in it.
For example, I'm into astrology, I'm into sports, I'm into K-pop.
Or, I'm not into astrology, but I think it's interesting.
Another useful word, compatible. Compatible means you go well together, you match well.
People ask, are these signs compatible? It means, do these signs have a good relationship together?
But again, this is just a fun idea, not science.
Yes, very important. Don't break up with your partner because of a meme on the internet.
Meme is a funny image or joke that people share online.
Now, I want to know, Leo, do you think your sign describes you?
A little bit. My sign is very independent and a bit stubborn, and that is true. But sometimes the description is too general.
That's the thing. Many descriptions are very general. For example, you like to be happy, but sometimes you are sad. That's everybody.
Yes, but I still enjoy talking about it. It's a good way to start a conversation in English.
Exactly. On a date, with new friends, at a party, in class, you can ask, what's your sign? And then you can ask more questions.
For example, do you think it matches your personality? Do you read your horoscope? Do you believe in astrology?
These are easy questions, great for English practice. Simple vocabulary, but personal and interesting.
So during this episode, you learned the names of all 12 zodiac signs in English. You also learned many personality words like confident, energetic, impatient, stubborn, calm, organized, emotional, charming, intense, adventurous, ambitious, independent, dreamy, sensitive, loyal, and more.
You also learned some useful expressions like, what's your sign? I'm into astrology. That's so typical of you. And are we compatible?
Now it's your turn. In the comments, write in English your sign and 3 words to describe your personality.
For example, I'm Virgo, organized, shy, and funny. Simple English, but great practice.
And tell us, do you think your zodiac sign is accurate?
Before we go, if you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Pop Off English, like this video, and share it with a friend who likes zodiac signs or wants to learn English.
You can also check our playlist for more easy English podcast episodes. The link is in the description.
Thanks for listening. Thanks for learning with us. And thanks for having fun with English.
See you in the next episode of Pop Off English.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.